Royal Enfield Meteor 350 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. In a world where new riders often face an overwhelming number of motorcycle choices, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 stands out as a calm, confident, and stylish option for beginners. Designed with simplicity, comfort, and character in mind, the Meteor 350 offers a smooth entry into the motorcycling world, earning its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in 2025. The Meteor 350 is Royal Enfield's take on a modern cruiser with classic roots. Blending timeless design with rider-friendly technology, the Meteor has quickly built a loyal following around the globe. It features a laid-back riding posture, intuitive controls, and a forgiving engine that makes it perfect for those new to two wheels. At the heart of the Meteor 350 is a 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine that produces 20.2 horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque. While those numbers may not seem huge on paper, the power is delivered in a very manageable and predictable way. The 5-speed gearbox is smooth and geared for comfort, giving new riders the confidence to shift through traffic or cruise leisurely on open roads without intimidation. One of the most important aspects for beginners is comfort and control, and the Meteor delivers both. With a low seat height of just 765 mm (30.1 inches) and a curb weight of 191 kilograms (421 pounds), it's easy to get both feet down at stops and maneuver the bike at low speeds. The relaxed ergonomics, forward-set foot pegs and upright handlebars make longer rides less tiring and improve visibility in traffic. The Meteor 350 also includes some modern features that enhance the beginner experience. The most notable is the Tripper navigation system, which pairs with a smartphone via Bluetooth to provide turn-by-turn directions on a small TFT display next to the analog speedometer. This is a rare and useful feature in an entry-level motorcycle. Another highlight is the bike's stable and forgiving handling. The frame and suspension are tuned for comfort and composure, even on less-than-perfect roads. Whether you're commuting through city streets or exploring winding country roads, the Meteor remains predictable and easy to ride. Royal Enfield's attention to build quality and finish is also worth noting. From the rich paintwork and chrome accents to the retro-style badging, the Meteor 350 feels like a premium product at a very approachable price point. Plus, with several color options and trim levels, Fireball, Stellar, and Supernova, riders can pick a version that suits their personal style. In conclusion, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 strikes a perfect balance of approachability, design, and everyday usability. It's a motorcycle that encourages learning, invites adventure, and looks great doing it. For beginners looking for a bike with classic charm, modern reliability, and real-world comfort, the Meteor 350 is one of the most rewarding and sensible choices in the entry-level segment today.